Cannot call this user due to his or her privacy settings. I'm account problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, after which you can just launch the Play Store application and check for the latest updates on IMO application. Make sure you have the updated version of the application on your device. So as you can see on the screen, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of IMO application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on the application and then tap on App Info. As you tap on App Info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of Clear Data at the bottom right corner of the screen over here. So tap on Clear Data and then clear the cache and tap on OK. Then tap on the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here. So just go to each option over here and get that access. After giving access to each option, you can just relaunch the application, and if this does not fix, you can just make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might help you fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.